Earn up to $475 a day by typing pages online with this website offering. In this video, I'll show you how to make as much as $475 per day by simply typing words online. It might sound unbelievable, but you'll receive payment for every typing job you have. When you complete one full page, you'll earn $15, and if you complete 5 full pages, you'll make $75. If you type 20 pages daily, you could potentially earn up to $475 per day. What's even better is, this money-making opportunity is entirely free of charge, and you can even do it using your mobile phone. This online job is incredibly simple and is accessible worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you have the chance to do this job. Also, you don't need to worry about cashing out the money you earn from this website because it's simple and convenient to do so. Not a lot of people are aware that there's a website that you can use to earn money by typing words. You can make 5 cents per word on this website. Therefore, if you type a page containing 300 words, which is a common size, you'll earn $15 for each page you type. If you earn $15 for each page you type, and you can type around 30 pages per day, then your daily earnings would be around $450. If you type one additional page, you could potentially earn up to $475 per day using this method. This is an excellent way to earn money online. If you're having a hard time making ends meet with your regular job and need to earn extra money, this is an amazing opportunity for you. Due to the current economic crisis, like the recession, you and millions of other people may be struggling financially, and this method offers a great chance to earn money on the side. I understand that $475 may not seem like a large amount for some people. However, for those who are struggling financially due to the current economic downturn, this is an incredible opportunity to earn a significant amount of money. It provides an excellent chance to earn money and potentially get out of debt. Moreover, this opportunity might even turn into your next career. Again, this opportunity is incredibly simple, making it an ideal side hustle or secondary job. The website I'm raving about is talentdesire.com. This website provides numerous work-from-home opportunities aside from typing jobs. It offers a variety of jobs including online proofreading, freelancing, language translation, online paid surveys, medical transcription, content writing, affiliate marketing, and online teaching. Therefore, you can use this website to choose the best job for you and to start to earn money. If you're interested in any of the jobs that were mentioned, you can visit this website and find the one that suits you best. This website offers a variety of options, and you can choose to apply to 1, 2, or several job opportunities to earn an income. I want to emphasize once more that this method is entirely free, and you don't need to pay anything to get started. However, in this video, we'll only be discussing the online typing jobs available on the website. This job is the easiest and provides a fantastic opportunity to earn money. You also don't need any prior knowledge or work experience to get started. Even if you're a beginner, you can start earning money right now through the online typing jobs on the website. When you click on the online typing jobs section of the website, you can see that the pay ranges from $13,500 to $27,000 or even more per year. As you gain more skills and experience, your earning potential also increases. This is really excellent news. Additionally, you're guaranteed a minimum of $1,125 worth of work per month. So on the pay alone, you know already that you'll be making a substantial amount of money. As I previously mentioned, this can be a convenient side job for those who are struggling to pay bills or have credit card debt. The minimum amount of work you can expect to receive is $1,125 per month, which can be a great help. Again, joining this website is free, and there are no hidden costs or investments required at any point. This presents a wonderful chance for people all over the world to earn money, particularly those residing in countries where their currency has a lower value than the dollar. I know that there are countries where life is much more difficult than here in the US, and if there's a chance that they're able to apply for a side hustle, this is truly a great opportunity. There are various jobs to choose from, and if they're beginners, they can still apply and eventually work their way up. To make things clear, the website displays various levels of earning: beginner, intermediate, professional, and expert. As you advance through these levels, you can increase your income. However, there's a tip available online that suggests starting as a beginner but still being able to earn as much as an expert. You don't need any prior experience to do this, and I'll explain how in a moment. I'll show you how you can increase your earnings on this website and be recognized as an expert to earn more money without starting as a beginner. To do this, you need to visit retotype.com, a website for making speed tests or any other keyboarding skills. The purpose of visiting this website is to take a typing test. It's possible to take this test on your phone or computer, and it's really quite simple. You only need to type some words shown on the screen, and the website will measure how quickly you can type them. After completing the test, you'll receive a certificate that you can use on talentdesire.com to be recognized as an expert. You can take the test multiple times until you feel comfortable with your score, and then upload the certificate to talentdesire.com. This will show that you have the necessary skills to earn more money on the website. To begin the typing test, click on Start Typing Now. The same screen will be displayed whether you're using a phone or a computer. To take the test, simply type the words shown on the screen. After a few seconds, the website will show you the results, like how many words per minute you can type. Doing this typing test and obtaining a certificate can increase your earnings significantly. It can help you earn up to $15 per page that you type on the website. Even if you're a beginner, by showing the certificate, you can be perceived as an expert, and the website won't know if you're a beginner or not. This is because having the certificate proves that you can type fast and accurately. This is an effective way for you to obtain approval for many jobs and provide you with limitless earning prospects. Ultimately, this will enable you to make up to $475 every day. Now, I'll teach you how to get your certificate and upload it to talentdesire.com. When taking the typing test, the website measures both your typing speed and accuracy, which are used to generate your final score. The higher your accuracy, the better your results will be. However, if you're not happy with the result, you can always take the typing test again. To retake the test, you can simply click on the logo, and it will take you back to the home page, where you can take the test again. You can take the test as many times as you want. You can click Start Typing Now and keep taking the test until you get a good score. This could also be a way to practice your typing skills, especially if you're not still confident with them. This way, you can see your progress because it gives you the result right away. After completing the typing test and getting your desired results, you need to click on the Improve Your Typing Speed button. This action prompts you to create an account. You can sign up using your Facebook or Google account, or you can enter your name, email address, password, and agree to the terms to register manually. Finally, click on the Sign Up button, and your account is ready to go. After logging into your account, you'll see your typing speed and accuracy, as well as your certificate. Having this certificate will help establish you as an expert and make a huge difference in the amount of money you can earn. The typing test will be completely free and took about 10 minutes to complete. After receiving your results and certificate, you need to save them to your computer so that you can upload them to the other website. To do this, you simply click Print, then Save as PDF, and give it a name and location to save to. In this way, you can easily access and upload your certificate to the other website. Now your certificate is ready to be uploaded on talentdesire.com. Go back to talentdesire.com and scroll down to find the online typing jobs section. Click on it and then go to the bottom of the page and click Apply Now. Pay close attention to the application process and follow the steps I showed you in this video. It can be a bit complicated, so don't skip any steps and just do what I do. To start the application process, click on the Apply Now button. In the first step, you need to choose an online application form and select Online Application Form. Then, click on the link to fill in your details and apply to work with a company. You'll be directed to a page where you can input your information. Simply click the box to accept the privacy policy and provide your name, email, and contact number. You can see that they accept applicants from all over the world in the country section. All the jobs listed are available to all people all over the world, including those in the United States, Ukraine, India, and any other country. On the application form, you'll need to provide your zip code, professional information, and preferred job title. For the job title, select Online Job Typing and choose a time of day that works best for you. They offer multiple payout methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and Skrill. For most people, PayPal would be the easiest and most convenient option. Once you've selected your preferred payout method, the next step is to indicate your current professional status. You can simply put self-employed and then agree to the terms and conditions by entering your signature and clicking I'm not a robot before finally submitting your application. Once you've completed these steps, you can begin earning $15 per page that you type, and you can work for as long as you like to make as much money as you want. That's it. That's everything you have to learn to earn as much as $475 a day. The process is really not that hard, and the great thing about it is that you don't have to pay any upfront or hidden fees. All you really need to do is show how skilled you are at typing. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.